Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to set up and use webhooks on teamwork.com. Our first step is to log into your Teamwork account. This is where all the magic happens. By logging into your account, you're accessing the hub where we'll set up and manage our webhooks. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Settings section. Here's why this step is critical. This is the control room from where you operate and manage all the features of your Teamwork account. Now that we've navigated to Settings, look for the Webhooks option. This is the tool that allows you to create a bridge between your Teamwork account and other applications. By setting up a webhook, you're essentially creating a notification system that will alert you when a certain event occurs. Next up, click on Add Webhook. Here you can define the events you want to be notified about. This allows for a more streamlined and efficient workflow, as you're customizing exactly which events you want to be alerted about. The final step is to paste the URL where you want the webhook data sent. This is crucial as it ensures the right data gets to the right place, keeping your operations seamless. Now that you've set up your webhook, you're ready to boost your productivity and workflow on teamwork.com. And that's it. We've just set up and utilized webhooks on teamwork.com. Remember, webhooks are a powerful tool to keep you informed and your projects on track. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.